Yo, what's up? I'm in Ubud right now, walking on the giant monkey forest, heading to art market in Ubud. It's about 1 o'clock during daytime. It's so hot. However, I was driving around Ubud, to be honest, before I make a vlog, and I have to say, as the situation here is somehow close to normal. Maybe it's not really normal because obviously you cannot have a sit in the restaurant and stuff like this, but many the warung strolls like this one, shopping strolls, I mean, are open, and I saw the market, art market is also open, so I wanna show you today something more normal and more optimistic, so stay tuned. And here we go, that's how it looks, the situation in Giant Monkey Forest, Carla Spa. And here's the Bali Ubud Indian cuisine, grandpa's. I had a coffee last time over here, but that was last time, not now. And it was actually quite busy when I make an intro. Now it's a little bit more quieter, but the life looks how it looks like. So it's some delivery service, and heading now into art market, which is the entrance over there. At the front is the palace. There is some police officer walking also, probably checking if everybody wear mask. So that's how it looks, the current situation in Ubud right now. As you see, the King Palace over there, some officers, and here is already the strolls. Hello. Thank you. But I show on to the people. Maybe somebody will buy it. Okay. Thank you. And this is already the inside the art market. Hello. In Ubud. Which is. Hello. Yeah, looking, yeah. And here's supposed to be the parking, usually busy with the cars and other sellers. Unfortunately, not so busy. By the way, check this out, how this guy parked. Quite interesting way of working. And two expanders. Rich people around. That's good. Oh, that's a nice Honda Civic, by the way. Anyway, focus over. Looking, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. One more here. Thank you. And one more here also. That's the new trend, new pants trend. Good for the heat weather. How is it now? Hello. That's how it looks like. I will continue walking there. It's a long stroll, but I wanna show you deep inside how it looks here also. Little bit of the shopping strolls around. So many stores, so many clothes, even some tourists here around. So it's really not so bad. Here is the wooden things. People are always interested, and beautiful things here. Hello. Yes. Looking. That's what it looks like. Hello. T-shirt.
You want one towel?
Thank you. Always tube. Thank you. Okay, so that's how it looks, the situation deep inside the market. There is the street. Maybe I'm not gonna go to the street today. I wanna focus on the market. Yes, thank you. Hello. And rattan bags for everyone who are interested. Clothes, stuff like this. So today I want to focus a little bit more about the market. Also looking for find the painting somewhere over here maybe. And that's how it looked like. They have a nice decorations here. Hello. And here also. Hello, how are you? Bagus. Good. Very good.
Buy something, my friend?
Thank you. And here are the paintings. Somebody last time asked me to show you the paintings. So here we go. By the way, beautiful tiger over here. Lion. Tiger or lion? Maybe lion. I think that's the Bob Marley. Buddhas here. A lot of beautiful paintings here and decorations. Obviously not so busy, so peacefully I can show you around. That's how it look like. Very nice stuff. Very nice. Or doggo painted. Also nice, but as you see also many warungs are closed at the same time. Unfortunately, however, that's how it looked like. Show you 360. Oh, the lady is driving so fast. How she smile. I saw it under the mask, but that's good. And there are many decorations, many things what you could buy. Lakers, looking, yes. Dream catcher, beautiful dream catcher. Thank you. And all the street here going into that direction is heading into the is this art market actually close. Hello.
Hello.
And mostly they are clothes here. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. So if you're hitting this street, this is the area of Golden Monkey, very close by. So many clothes. Hello, how are you? That's good.
Have look, please.
Yes, thank you.
Maybe later, yeah.
Maybe. Thank you.
Welcome.
Buy one, get one free. Yeah. Thank you. And here are also some bungalows, guest houses around. This is very local area. Had to say, had to agree. Very peaceful life. Very nice. I think doggo is poo poo on my video. Oh dear. That's how it looked like. Alright, so that's how it looks, the very peaceful stroll around the Ubud art market, traditional market. So many guest houses also around, so many lovely people trying to sell me something. Check this out, by the way, beautiful house inside. And you can buy so many nice decorations. Oh, here we go, I'll show you something. Hello. Oh, that's the beautiful shop with the beautiful wooden thingy. Oh, check this out, this rooster cockfight, wooden cockfight. Can I show you around? Yeah. Elephant, tiger, fisherman. Very nice.
Elephant safari.
Safari, elephant safari, Ganesh, another many interesting things. So check this out.
That is Garuda.
Garuda,
Yeah. Garuda
Vishnu. Oh, this one is also Garuda over here.
Garuda.
Beautiful things. Eagle, horse, Buddha, beautiful lady. You're welcome. A lot of very beautiful stuff. Oh, check this out. Also, this one, snaky one. Beautiful. And if you're gonna buy this pig, you're gonna get a whiskey black label for free. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Hello. Alright, so as I said, everybody are so friendly over here. Always, never change. Nothing has changed here. but I saw only two couple tourists walking around, and I think that's it. In general, it's very quiet. It's very hot. Also, at the same time, I was just passing Ubud this morning, and on the way back this side, I wanna show you something. It's actually very hot, but the wind is coming. It's actually pretty nice to store here. Pretty sad as also many things like over here are unfortunately closed. So that's how it looked like. Maybe they are closed just because of it's not many tourists, but at least I show you the beautiful shop with the wood painting, clothes, and many stuff like this. Also at the end I will show you the beautiful Vespa over here for every Vespa lovers. That's how it looked like. And yeah, that's how it looked like. It's a shopping stroll. Market Street is finished. This is the name of the street. I will show you also over here, and this is already the street. It's quite busy actually, I could say, as you see. Not really quiet. So Ubud life looks like this, at least today, right now, right here. Selamat datang di Jalan Karna. Welcome to Karna Street. And that's how it looks, the entrance to the market. And hello. Bagus. Apa kabar? Ya. Oh, okay. Thank you. And beautiful lady. Very nice vibe. Always. Alright, lovely people from around the world. That's how it looks, the situation on Giant Monkey Forest right now, and the art center in Ubud in July 2021. Okay, I will be honest with you, it's actually quite hot, and also walking, wearing mask and stuff like this, it's not so, it's just feeling like hot. Anyway, I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. And yeah, see you tomorrow as always. See ya. Take care, guys.